Hello everyone, in the previous video we have solved 4 questions of NCERT of exercise 3.1. Today we will solve 5th question of NCERT. The chapter is matrices and exercises 3.1. So the question is construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So it has two parts. First Aij is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3i plus j modulus. So we will solve question number 5th, part 1. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. And we have to construct 3 cross 4 matrix. So it means it has 3 rows and 4 columns. Let us construct 3 by 4 matrix. This is 3 rows and 4 columns. R1, R2, R3, C1, C2, C3 and C4. So it will be A11, A12, A13 and A14. This is row 2 and column 1. So A21, A22, A23, A24. Third row A31, A32, A33, A34. Now we will find all these entries. So A11, 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3. It means I is 1 and j is 1. Minus 3 into 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. Minus 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of modulus minus 2. When minus sign comes outside in the modulus, it will become positive. This is 2 by 2, that is 1. So A11 is 1. Now A12, 1 by 2. Now in the first row 1 is fixed. So here minus 3 into 1, in R1 only it will be minus 3. So only this entry will differ. Minus 3 plus j is 2. This is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 divided by 2. When minus sign comes outside from modulus, it will become positive again. 1 by 2. A12 is 1 by 2. Similarly, we will find A13. Again, it will be I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 3. So 1 by 2. It will be minus 3 into 1 plus j is 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So A13 is 0. Now A14. It will be I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 4. So 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus j is 4. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Modulus divided by 2. It's positive, so it will be 1 by 2. So A14 is 1 divided by 2. Now we will find the row. We have finished row 1, A11, 12, 13, 14. Now we will find row 2. The entries are A21, 22, 23 and 24. So A21 is equal to 1 by 2 minus I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. So it will be minus 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 modulus of minus 5. When minus 5 comes outside from modulus, it will be again positive, that is 5 divided by 2. So A21 is 5 by 2. A22, it means I is equal to 2 and J is also 2. So it is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. It is 1 by 2. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4 divided by 2. Again comes from modulus, it will be positive. This is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So A22 is 2. Now A23. I is equal to 2 and J is equal to 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus J is 3. This is 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 divided by 2 comes from modulus, it will again positive, that is 3 by 2. So A23 is 3 divided by 2. Now A24. A24 is I is 2 and J is 4. This is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus J is 4. This is 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 4, that is 1 by 2 minus 2. This is 1 by 2 minus 2 when come from modulus, it is again positive. This is 2 by 2 is 1. So A24 is 1. Now we will find row 3. The entries are A31, A32, A33 and A34. Let us find. So A31, this is 1 by 2. I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 1. Minus 3 into 3 plus 1. This is 1 by 2. Minus 9 plus 1. This is 1 by 2 minus 8. This is minus 8 when come from modulus, it will again positive. This is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So A13 we have 4. Now A31. Now A32. It is I is equal to 3 and J is equal to 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. This is again, we will solve 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus 2. This is 1 by 2 minus 7. Again minus 7 when comes from outside, it will be positive. This is 7 by 2. So A32 is 7 by 2. Now A33. I is equal to 3 and J is also 3. 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. This is 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 3. It is minus 6. When minus 6 comes outside from modulus, it will again positive. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So A33 is 3. Now A34. I is 3 and J is equal to 4. So minus 3 into 3 plus 4. It is 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 4, that is minus 5. When minus 5 comes outside, it will be positive. This is 5 by 2. Let us assemble all the entries. So our required matrix will be required matrix will be this is A11 is 1, and A12 is 1 by 2, A13 is 0, and A14 is 1 by 2, A21 is 5 divided by 2, and A22 is 2, and A23 is 3 by 2, and A24 is 1. A31 is 4, and A32 is 7 by 2. 4, 7 by 2. And A33 is 3, and A34 is 5 divided by 2. So this is our required matrix. Thank you.